Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. Happy 4th of July! Hopefully you have some great plans for the weekend to spend with family and fun or food or all three or two or one, whatever. So I am so excited, you guys, to share with you guys my leopard print mini collection. I've been thinking about this collection for a long time, you guys, and I found the perfect 3 garments or dresses to sew up for this leopard mini collection, and I am so excited. So let's go ahead and just get into it. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so have y'all ever wondered what MCCALL'S 8105, New Look 6696, and Simplicity 9010 would look like if they all got together and had a baby with leopard print? Okay, well, I'm here to show you. You probably haven't wondered, but I was wondering, and I answered my own question, and the answer is, it's so good, y'all. It's so good. So let's talk about this collection, okay? The first pattern that I actually made in leopard, and this was like the one that set it off with the inspiration of like, you know, this could be something. This could be something special. So I actually got this crepe de chine fabric from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and I had this pattern, MCCALL'S 8105, that I have been eyeing for a while. I mean, y'all know how it goes. You have your pattern stash and you keep buying more patterns, but there's those few that keep jumping out at you like, make me, don't you want to make me? This was one of those patterns, MCCALL'S 8105, and I actually made this up in that crepe de chine in a green color, and I was in love. I was in love with the fabric, love with the print, love with the dress, the style of the dress. You steal my heart. So y'all, so this was view B that I sewed up, which is what the model is wearing here. This pattern only has 7 pieces, you guys, and it's rated easy. The back of it, I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but like I said, I used the crepe de chine here. It does have a little bit of lining at the bodice of this dress, but it didn't take too long to line this at all. I'm just gonna show you guys the line drawings here so you can get a better picture of it. And then I'm gonna show you guys all my dresses that I made as well, like in detail, so you can see like all the goodness going on. Of course I got pictures, of course I got videos, so stay tuned for that as well. This is view A, which is the shorter version. View B is the one that I made. And then view C has like this little asymmetrical situation going on, which is cute. And then look at the back of that, the bow here. So I was wondering when I sewed this up, like how do you do this? So this section, and I'll show y'all later, actually comes loose, and then you actually wrap it around your bust and tie it in the back. So cute, right? So cute, so unique. And then it's got that crisscross back as well. I could just stop this video right now, but I won't. Let's keep going. Okay. So that is pattern number 1. This is the one that was like the inspiration piece right here. And so I don't know if you guys remember back in December when I did my 5 days till Christmas fabric haul, whatever you want to call it. And I got all these fabrics again from Fabric Wholesale Direct. And I was showing y'all like, I got this, I got that. And one of the things that I got was a crepe de chine in 2 colorways. And I was like, what am I gonna do with it? What am I gonna do with this crepe de chine? I didn't have anything, a pattern to sew up. And then I was like, okay, I already made that leopard print dress. What if I did a leopard print mini collection in this super cute crepe de chine with a leopard print? So your girl was working. Your girl was working. So I did that dress, and then I did another dress, and then I just finished the third dress literally last week. And I was like, yup, I'm loving it. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm gonna wear these dresses for a long time. As long as they fit, they're gonna be on me, okay? I even asked my husband, I was like, babe, which one is your favorite? And he was like, all three of them. He's like, every time you put on a different one, I'm like, yeah, that one, yeah, that one, yeah, that one. So it's just that good, y'all. So let me see, the next dress I'm gonna share with you is Simplicity 9010. I've seen this dress all over the place, all over the place. This one is a classic. This one has been sewn up by so many sewists in the sewing community on Instagram, on YouTube, probably on TikTok, but I've been seeing this dress. I've had this dress in my stash since the beginning. This one is a real OG, okay? This one is a real OG, and I just now got around to sewing it. I'm talking about like 2019. I've had her since 2019. But I adore the back of this. I'm not really a fan of the front of it, believe it or not. But when I belted it, it brought it to where it needed to be. And then the back of it was just like, hey girl, hey. And I love it, I love it. So this is another easy to sew. It comes in 3 different views. So A here, the longer version. B is what the model is wearing here. And then C is the short version. And I sewed up the B, and look at the back. The back is everything, y'all. This collection is giving drama. When it comes to the back, the front, you're like, oh, that's a pretty dress. Oh, that's cute. And then you turn around and bam! Bam, bam, bam. So this was the collection that I was dreaming about. Y'all know I love a good back moment because you want to look good coming and going. And honey, you're gonna look good coming and going if you make up any one of these dresses. They all have a wow factor that I adore. Mwah. So let's see, let me show you guys these line drawings for this dress here. Here we go. So again, A is the long version. B, I don't see much difference. It may be a little shorter. And then C is the short version. And I sewed up view B, which is what the model is wearing. So, okay, the difference is the back. So A is closed in the back, B has that dramatic moment, and then C has a dramatic moment with a bow, but B, honey, girl, baby, let me tell you, view B, special, so special. These dresses hold a special place in my heart, just in case you didn't know. So, the last one I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to show you guys my dresses, my makes. This is New Look 6696, and so good. So when you walk in this dress, the swish swash and the flow, whew, honey, look at that. So this is that dress. I sewed up view A here. So the slit in the front, again, it's like, oh, that's cute. And then wait till you turn it around. View B, I believe, is the same. It may be a little bit shorter, and there's no slit in the front if you don't want one, but don't you want one? Let's talk about this pattern. This pattern has 10 pieces. As far as sizing goes, this was from a 6'2" and 18. The Simplicity 9010 was a 6'2" and 22. And the MCCALL'S 8105 was a 6'2" and 24. So, sorry I missed that to start, you guys. But yes, let me show you guys these line drawings. Again, I do believe crepe de chine was one of the suggested fabrics for all 3, which was one of the requirements that I was looking for in the dresses that I put in this collection. I wanted that crepe de chine to just be the star, and I think that it is. So this is the line drawings. These are the line drawings here. So A, the front here, it has a nice little bust dart, which the shaping, let me tell y'all, the shaping Okay. Okay, so bust start, and then you have that slit in the front, and then view B has no slit, as you can see here. And then this is the magic right here. This is where it all goes down in view A with that opening back cutout, and then view B has no back cutout. So let me go ahead and grab my dresses and show you guys my makes. Oh, this is the first one. This was the one. This was the baby, the one that actually started off the whole process of this mini collection. Okay, so this was the first dress here. And you can see the front, the crepe de chine in that green with the little orange pop of color, which I love. This was the lining. I used black here on my lining. And then the dress. Now there actually is a faux slit in this dress as well. Hopefully you can see that here. It actually closes all the way. And then if you want to like open the slit, you can, if that makes sense. So there is a back zipper, invisible back zipper here, as you can see. And that goes pretty much from the bodice all the way down the back of the skirt. And then this is what I was talking about, you guys, with that tie in the front. So this is how it goes. These are ties, and they're super long on both, like they're super long, like long on both sides of this dress. And you actually wrap the tie around the front of the dress like that, and then the other one around the other side, and then they both tie in the back. So that's how you have like that ruching in the front and then that tie in the back. So I love this. I absolutely adore it. In the crepe de chine, you can see how flowy and drapey that fabric is. Crepe de chine is one of my favorite draping fabrics, next to a nice challis. But crepe de chine, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Any old day of the week. So the next one I'm going to show you was the second dress that I made, which was the simplicity dress. So this was the second dress that I made in this leopard, and this was like a mauve and gold colorway. Love it, love it. This one has like a nice little batwing sleeve, I guess you would call this. And this one actually utilized some single fold bias tape on the front. And then the star of this one again is the back for me. So this is the back. See how that's nice and open like that? And it doesn't reveal like too much, but it reveals just enough. And this is also finished in a nice single fold bias tape, as you can see here on both sides of the back. So very nice finishings here. The elastic waistband is really nice. And then there is no slit in the front, but there is a little slit in the back right here. And it just says hello. Y'all know I love that. I would say the slit is about, maybe 8 inches high. And this is a long dress, so it's not like an 8-inch slit. Oh my gosh, no. It's very tasteful, very classy. So that is this dress. And then the one that I made last, which I think might be my favorite. Y'all let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. I think this is my favorite. So this was the third dress that I just finished last week in this green and brown colorway. Come on. So this is the front. This is the new look dress. And again, this is the slit here on the side. That's probably about a 10, more like a 12, maybe a 15-inch slit. But again, this dress is very long, so it's very tasteful. And then this is the back, which this is to me the star. You have a little V here with a tie, and then there is a button closure here as well, just one button. And then this is that opening in the back, which I adore. And then there's that zipper down the back as well. So love this. There's also some single fold bias tape in the neckline of the front on this dress as well. So again, that flowy drapiness of this, I absolutely adore. let me grab my microphone. So that is my leopard print mini collection, you guys, and crepe de chine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I so enjoyed sharing it with you. I couldn't wait to do this video so that I could share that with you guys. Y'all have been with me on this journey, and I'm just loving like doing little mini collections here and there. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. Definitely give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And again, let me know which dress is your favorite down below in the comments, you guys. I would love to hear it. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. And until next time, be blessed and happy sewing.